Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Bynum, and I'm going to be talking to you today about how to set up your writing journal for your spelling inventory. So you're going to need to find your writing notebook. So you can see that I'm borrowing Miss Helfrich's writing notebook. I haven't made mine just yet, but when you open the cover of your writing notebook, you're going to see your name and the word writing. Please make sure you have that, and you should have a pencil. You can pause the video if you need to run and get that. If not, we're going to go ahead and keep going. So we're going to turn the page, and you should have a writing bank there. We're going to turn the page. You should have another writing bank there. And then if you turn one more time, you should have a blank piece of paper. Now remember, in our writing notebook, we're only going to write on the front of our paper, not ever on the back in this notebook. So you need a clean sheet of paper that looks just like this. On the title line, we're going to write spelling inventory. And I'm going to spell it for you. If you need to pause your video, you can. Okay. That's how you spell it. You should have a capital letter at the beginning of each word because this is the title. All of your letters should be touching the blue title line. You should, of course, have some that are hanging below your dropped letters. Okay, so once you have your title ready to go, you're going to need to number from 1 to 25, but I want you to do it a certain way. We're going to skip this line here because it has some drop letters in it. So we're going to skip that line, and we're going to start with number 1. Just like that, next to the pink line, we skipped a line, we wrote number 1, and I want yours to look exactly like mine, please. So number 1, then we're going to skip a line and write a number 2, skip a line, 3. See what I'm doing? Skip, number, skip, number, skip, number. Okay, we're going to keep skipping lines. Keep skipping lines and keep numbering. Okay, and then I cut down to the bottom here, and I can't write anything else, so I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to use 3 finger spaces between this 1 and my next number, which is going to be 13. So I'm on the same line. Okay, so see what I did? I came back to the same line that has a 1. I put down 3 fingers, and then I wrote my 13, which is my next number. Skip a line. Okay, keep numbering in order. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going. You can pause the video and take your time doing it neatly. Now you can see I ran out of space. I have one more number, which is the number 25. So I'm going to come back up here where I've got a 1, a 13. I'm going to put down 3 fingers, and I'm going to write my last number, which is 25, just like that. Okay, so I want your paper to look exactly like mine. Pause the video right now if you need to and make it look this way. On the next slide, we're going to talk about what to write next to each one of these numbers.